transparency is our USP.
USP.
Can you elaborate the transparency part a little more?
See, in terms of transparency, it's basically the products what we use. Detailing, the industry is huge, but everyone and anyone can do a detailing. But it also depends on what products we use, because it's not only about the end results, it's also about the durability of the treatment. So if you have the best of the products, you have best of the results along with the durability.
Correct. So you said you have an experience of about 28 years in this industry. How have you used this experience to build workshop the way it is today?
See, I was heading the operations for a well-known brand, and I was heading the after sales. So I know the customers, consumers very well. And detailing is a thing in which it is completely different as compared to service your car. So servicing is a periodic thing which you require, but it needs to be supported with a good detailing which also is recommended periodically. So because of this combo, the car is well maintained both in mechanical condition as well as the exterior and aesthetic conditions of the car.
Correct. So, sir, how do we make sure that our customer interaction and customer interaction and involvement is at top notch?
For customers, each and every, as I told you, that the transparency has been maintained. But as an owner, I am directly connected with my customers. So that's the main thing, because as a car passionate, I love to interact with my customers. And for customers also, it's they have a direct connect to the owners. So that's where the no managers or the team, of course the team works on the car, but the first interaction is directly with me, and that's the USB, because the customers have the confidence. When you are directly dealing with the owner, you get that extra confidence.
Correct. So that means that you understand the needs of the customer and you explain it well to the team.
Yes.
So how is this process being handled?
See, as I told you, there is a process for each and every treatment which we do on the car. So each and every treatment has been set in that particular way. At the same time, we have the expert team, and if you see my cabin also, it has been designed in such a way that even if I am talking to you, I have an eye on what is happening on the shop floor. At the same time, the team knows that each and every process, they have been trained in such a way that they will always follow the process. And after the car has been completed, there's the other teammate who will, he's always on the floor to check the quality of work, and a regular update has been given accordingly to the customer.
Correct. So customer feedback is our driving force to working better. So do you remember any one customer feedback that has stayed with you till date?
There are many customers whose feedback is always, you can also see the reviews over Google. So all are organic reviews with our customers, and we are also really thankful to all these customers who have shown trust on us and shared. They have felt free to express themselves on the social platforms as well.
Correct. Thank you so much.